morning everyone. So let us continue our class. So till question number 12.2 I think so we have done, right? So now let us start with question number 12.3. Question number 12. Log 8x minus 3 to the base x. Log 8x minus 3 to the base x is equal to 2 plus log 4 base x. Log 4 to the base x. Okay. So we have to solve. That means we have to find the value of what? X. Okay. So see, over here also the base is x. Over here also the base is x. So I have to make these two in terms of logarithm with base x. So how will I make this one? You see, log 8x minus 3. Now I need to turn this into log with base x because everywhere the base is x. Then only I can cancel log. Okay. So I will write 2 and simple log what? X base x. What is log x base x? This is 1. The base should be x, not any other thing. Okay. Why? Because the base over here is x. If the base would have been y or say anything else, then same thing. If it was y, then log y base y we have written. Okay. Then plus log of what? 4 to the base x. Now which implies log of x 8x minus 3. Then this one I can write as log of x and x to the power 2. These two will go over here as power, isn't it? Then plus log of and what? 4. So now which implies log of 8x minus 3. I can apply the product law. That what? Log of x and what? X square into 4. X square into 4. This is into, okay, this dot, not point. So this is log of 8x minus 3 will be equal to log of, and this is nothing but what? 4x square. Now both side log I can cancel. So what will remain? 8x minus 3 will be equal to what? 4 of x square. So if I take everything to that side, 0 will be equal to what? 4x square minus 8x and what? Plus 3. So if I write this over this side, 4x square minus 8x plus 3 will be equal to 0. So now we have to factorize this to find the what? Value of x. So I will factorize this using splitting the middle terms because this will split very easily. So what is the product? 4 3 are 12. So how to bring 12 in terms of 8? 6 2 are 12, right? 6 and 2 is how much? 6 plus 2 is 8. So simple. So 4x square, 6 2 are 12. So minus this one. 4x square, 6 plus 2 is what? 8 and 6 2 is how much? 12. So which implies minus 6x minus 2x plus 3 will be equal to 0. Take common, 2x is common. So 2x minus 3. Over here also minus 1 is common. So 2x minus what? 3. Got? So what we will get over here, which implies 1 is 2x minus 3 and another one is what? 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore either 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So from there what will be the value of x? Twice x is equal to 3. So which implies x is equal to what? 3 by 2. And from here twice x will be equal to 1. So our x will be equal to what? 1 by 2. So both are positive. So both are correct. Okay. So let me see the answer. Yes, 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. So this is your answer. Okay. This is a simple question. Just this step. The base is x, right? So you have to cancel log. Na? So this also you have to write in terms of log only. How? The base is x. So log x base x. Okay. If the base would be 7, then log 7 base 7. Whatever it is base, write in that terms. Okay. Okay. Then now next question. Number 4. Number 4, what is given? Log x base 3. So I think so you have understood the question. See, 9 I can write in terms of 3, 27 I can write in terms of 3. But to do that, they should not stay in base. They have to stay up, isn't it? So I have to do what? Change of base over here, reciprocal. So, solution. So I will write over here this one log 3 base x. This way I will write, okay? Plus 1 by log over here x 9 plus 1 by log over here what x and over here 27 is equal to what? 55 by 10. Done. Change of base everywhere. Okay. So now you see, which implies 1 by log 3 base x plus 1 by, now you write 9 in terms of 3, that is what? 3 square. Write 27 in terms of 3, that is what? 3 cube is equal to what? 55 by 10. Done. Now, which implies this is 1 by log 3 base x plus 1 by 2 log 3 base x. 3 will come front, isn't it? So 55 by what? 10. Over here, see, over here also 1 by log 3 base x, over here also 1 by log 3 base x, over here also 1 by log 3 base x. So I can take that common, isn't it? Which implies I can take 1 by log 3 base x common, and what I can write over here, if I take 1 by log 3 base x common, what will remain? 1 will remain. Over here, if I take 1 by log 3 base x common, what will remain? 1 by 2 will remain. Don't write 2, okay, 1 is there, so 1 by 2 will remain. Over here, if I take 1 by log 3 base x common, what will remain? 1 by 3 will remain. That is what? 55 by 10. Understood? I'm just showing how I have written this one. So what is there? 1 by 2 log. No need to write any other step, just you see how I have written. This I can break as what? 1 by 2 into 1 by log 3 base x. This way I can write, right? So 1 by log 3 base x will come common. What will remain? 1 by 2 will remain, and similarly what will remain over here? 1 by 3 will remain. So now take LCM and start solving this one. So take the LCM, which implies 1 by log 3 base x, and over here what is the LCM? 6. So over here 6 1 just 6, 2 3 just 6, 3 2 just 6 is equal to what? 55 by 10. So which implies six, 9, 10, 11 by 6 will be what? Is equal to 55 by 10. Now this thing is multiplied over here. Over here what will happen? Divide. So how can I write 55 by 10 into what will happen? Divide only. But if I write into, then what will happen? 6 by 11. Yes, this is product over here. That side it will be divided. But then divide will be what? Divide will be into, and then it will be reciprocal. See this step. In lower class you have done this thing, okay? Like this. Say 1 by log 3 base x into 11 by 6 is equal to 55 by 10. So what will happen actually? 1 by log 3 base x will be equal to 55 by 10. Yes, this is into, over there what will happen? Divide. That is what? Divided by 11 by 6. Now this divide If I write into, then what will happen? That part will get reciprocal 6 by 11. So directly I have written this will be what? Into, just reciprocal this one, 6 by 11. 11 by 6 will become what? 6 by 11. Direct shortcut you can go, but no need to write this step divided by 6 by 11. Directly you reciprocal, okay? So which implies, now if I cancel this one, 11 5 ja 55, 5 2 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 3. 1 by log 3 base x is equal to how much? 3. Okay, so over here if I do now again change of base, what will happen? Which implies if I do change of base over here, then again log 3 will be base and x will come here, which is equal to what? 3. Done. Change of base I have done. So now take it to exponential form, you will get x. X will be equal to what? This base will go over here 3 cube. That means what? Which implies x is equal to 27. This is your answer. Very simple, isn't it? Change of base I have done. Then take it to exponential form. This base will go over here, base 3 to the power 3 exponential form. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 27. Okay. So simple question. Now let us see question number 5. Question number 5. Log. This is also a simple question. See, 3 is there, 9 is there, 729 is there. This one is more simple actually. Why I am telling you? Why this is more simple? Because we no need to do change of base over here, okay? Why this is more simple, you see? See, 9 I can write in terms of 3, 729 I can write in terms of 3, and see they are already in up. So no need to do change of base in this question. So directly your answer will come. Solution, keep on solving. I can write this one log 3 base x plus log, write in terms of 3, 3 square plus log 3 to the power how much is 729? 729 is actually 27 square is 729, okay? 729 is equal to 27 square. Then again 27 is how much? 3 to the power 3. 3 cube is 27. So 3 to the power 6 is how much? 3 to the power 6 is 729, okay? So I will write this one as how much? 3 to the power 6. If you keep on doing in this way, 729 by this way, then also you will get how much? 3 to the power 6, which is equal to 9, which implies log 3 base x plus 2 will come from, so 2 log plus 6 log so I can say now what? I can take common, right? So over here 1 is, over here 2, over here 6, and what I will write? Log of 3 base x is equal to 9. So log of 3 base x I have taken common, so what will remain? Or directly also you can do without taking common. Log of 3 base x, 6 log of 3 base x, 2 log of 3 base x, 1 log of 3 base x, total how much? 6, 7, 8, 9. Directly also you can write how much? 9 log of 3 base x. Directly only we will write, we will not do this shortcut. Like in other question you have done, na? Log 2 plus 3 log 2 plus 7 log 2, like this only. Over here it was log 2, log 2, log 2. Over here log 3 base x, log 3 base x, log 3 base x. So total how much? 6, 7, 8, 9. So directly we will write 9 log 3 base x is equal to what? 9. Now this 9 is multiplied over here, that side will become what? Divide. This is not exponential form, okay? This 9 I am taking. This 9 is product. Okay, so this 9 over here will be what? Divide. That is what? 9 by 9. So which implies log of 3 base x is what? 9 by 9 is 1. Now take it to exponential form. 3 will be equal to what? X to the power 1, which implies 3 is equal to what? X, which implies 3 is equal to x. So you write in that order to x, which implies x is equal to 3. So this is your what? This is your answer. Simple question, okay? No change of base, nothing. This one was more easier than question number 4. Let us see question number 6. Question number 6 is beautiful, isn't it? Slightly different from the rest of the question, but overall similar, not that difficult. Question number 6, 5 to the power log x. 5 to the power log x, okay? 5 to the power log x minus 3 to the power log x minus 1. This minus 1 is power, okay? 3 to the power, this complete is power, log x minus 1. Then, what is there? Equal to 3 to the power log x plus 1. Minus 5 to the power log x minus 1. Okay. So, solution. This I will keep as it is, 3 to the power log x. Now this one, see, I can write, since see, what was the formula? A to the power m minus n. I can write a to the power m divided by a to the power n, isn't it? So a to the power, this is say my base, a to the power m minus n, this is base, this is power, right? So a to the power m minus n. So I can write a to the power m by a to the power n. Similarly, what was the formula of a to the power m plus n? A to the power m into a to the power n. So a to the power m into a to the power n minus again a to the power m divided by a to the power m. So now if I solve, what will I get? 3 to the power log x, and over here what? 3 to the power 1 is there, right? So if we see clearly now, what we can do, one more line you write, it will become a little bit simplified. 5 to the power log x minus 3 to the power log x divided by 3 is equal to 3 to the power log x into 3 minus 5 to the power log x into what? 5. Now you see what we can do over here, okay? What? Okay, this is not 5 log x, okay? This is not 5 log x. 5 to the power log x. So what we can do? So you see 5 to the power log x is over here and 5 to the power log x is over here. 3 to the power log x is over here, 3 to the power log x is over here. So let us arrange them, okay? So let us arrange them, which implies 5 to the power log of x, I will bring this one over here. Minus will become what? Plus 5 to the power log of x divided by 5 equal to, this one I will keep it as it is over here, 3 to the power log x into 3. This minus over here will be what? Over here this will be what? Plus, okay? 3 to the power log x divided by 3. So now, simple thing, 5 to the power log x, 5 to the power log x, I can take common. 5 to the power log x, if I take common, what will remain? Over here 1 will remain, and over here what will remain? 1 by 5 will remain. Over here 3 to the power log x I can take common. Over here 3 will remain, and over here 1 by 3 will remain. So this much done. This much done. Now let us see what we can do, which implies, okay, this one let us solve. 5 to the power log of x, 5 1s are 5, take LCM, how much will become? 5, 5 1s are 5, 6 by 5, isn't it? Take LCM, 5 1s are 5, plus 1, 6 by 5, equal to 3 to the power log of x, don't write 3 log x, okay? So while writing, keep this thing clear, otherwise while writing in speed, if you write 3 log x, your answer will be wrong. 3 to the power log x, take LCM, LCM is 3, and 3 3 is 9 plus 1 is what? 10 by 3. Simple, take LCM. So now you see, now this is product over here. If I bring this over here, it will become what? Divide this thing, okay, this thing, this is product. Over here what is there? Into is there, into is there. This is product. If I bring this over here, it will become divide. That is 5 to the power log of x divided by 3 to the power log of x equal to this 6 by 5 is also over here what? Into, isn't it? So over here if I take, what will happen? Divide. Okay, say for example I am writing this time 6 by 5. But directly also you can do, okay, into this 6 by 5 will become what? 5 by 6. Say one more step I am doing. Say for example 5. And see 5 to the power log of x, 3 to the power log of x. I can write 5 by 3 whole to the power log of x. Isn't it? A to the power m divided by b to the power m. I can write a by b whole to the power m. This formula. And over here 10 by 3. Directly this step you do, okay, directly 5 by 6. This will be divide only, but reciprocal then what? Into. Okay. So cancel then. Can I cancel anything? Yes. 2 3 is 6 and what? 2 5 is 10. Isn't it? This I can cancel. So I can write log of 5 by 3 and 5 5 is what? 25. 3 3 is what? 9. So now you see 5 by 3 log of x, 25 by 9 I can write what? 5 square, 3 square, not 32, okay? 3 square. Okay. So which implies 5 by 3 to the power log of x, 5 by 3 square. Now see both right hand side and left hand side, what is same? Our base is same. So if our base is same, then our power will also be what? Same. So therefore log of x, only therefore implies, only continue, implies log of x will be equal to what? 2. So if I take it to exponential form directly, what is the base over here? The base is 10. What is the base? The base is 10. If the base is not written, then it is understood that the base is what? 10. So x will be equal to, this base will go over here, 10 to the power 2, which implies x is equal to what? 100. This is your answer. Done. What? So, okay. Question number 6 done. Okay. Slightly different from the rest of the question. Okay. So, you see this question number 6. Let us do number 7. 7, 8, 9. Or 3 are left. Let us do question number 7. Log of base is what? 2. Twice x minus log of base is what? 2 cube, and then exponential is there, what? X square is equal to what? 2 square. Okay, solution. See this over here, if I write in apply the product formula, I can write what? Log of 2 base 2 plus log of x to the base 2. Product law. Into is there, na? 2 into x. So 2 then plus again then log of x. Like that. Okay, base is what? 2. Product formula I have applied. Okay, over here product formula. Then minus. Now what I can do? Log of 3 to the power. This 2 will come front, isn't it? x3. This is base. Okay, this is not 3 to the power x. This 2 cube is base. This complete is base. Then x to the power 2 is there. So this 2 will come front. This is base. Okay, 2 cube. This is base. So this 2 will come here. So log of this is base and then x equal to what is 2 square? 2 square is 4. What is log of 2 base 2? Log of 2 base 2 is 1. Then log of x base 2. Then minus. Now see this 2 cube. In base there is no work. So I will take it to what? Up. So for that what again? For that again change of base. So means 1 by, sorry, this 2 is there. So minus 2 into 1 by log of x will be base. Now I can write this one 2 cube. Now I can solve the question easily. Okay. So which implies 1 plus log of this 3 will come front. Okay, so which implies 1 plus why I'm writing this 1 so many times. This 1 if I take that side, it will become minus 1, isn't it? So log of x base 2 minus this 3 if I take out, this is what 1 by 3, isn't it? So this will become what 2 by 3, and what is remaining into 1 by log of 2 base x, and this is what 4 minus 1. This plus 1, that side minus 1. Done. So now, which implies log of base 2 minus 2 by 3. Now again if I do change of base, because over here the base is what 2, isn't it? So I will again have to do change of base. So this will become what? Again reciprocal. So this will be into log of again x base 2. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. Now over here log of x base 2, log of x base 2 you can take common. So what will remain? 1 minus 2 by 3. And what? Log of x base 2 is equal to what? 3. Isn't it? Common I have taken log of x base 2, log of x base 2. If common you take, over here 1 will remain and over here minus 2 by 3 will remain. Okay. So then take LCM over here. LCM will be 3. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. So this is how much? 1 by 3. Done. Now this 3 is over here product. So that side it will become what? Divide. So which implies log of 3 divided by 1 by 3. Directly also you can write into. So 3 into what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? 3. 9. So take it to exponential form. X will be equal to what? 2 to the power 9. So now let me see the answer, whether it is in like that 2 to the power 9 or it is directly it is written in rational form. So 3 point, okay, the answer is 2 to the power 9 only. But if you want, you can write 2 to the power 6 is how much? 64, okay. 2 to the power 7 is how much? 128. 2 to the power 8 is how much? 256. 2 to the power 9 is how much? 512. 2 to the power 10 is how much? 1024. So if you want, you can write the answer. 2 to the x is equal to what? 512 will be your answer. But in the book it is kept as what? 2 to the power 9. So keep it as 2 to the power 9. Okay, so 7 done. Question number 8. Question number 8. Log of this is a simple question. Directly take it to exponential form. So I can write 3x square plus 10x. This base will go over here as base, means what? X cube. So if I write 0, if I take all this to that side, x cube minus 3x square minus 10x. If I write complete this to this part, x cube minus 3x square minus 10x equal to 0. Done. Simple, take x common. What will remain? X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So now you can factorize this one. X, how I can factorize? 10. 5 2s are 10, isn't it? That is minus 5x plus 2x. How much? 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 3x, yes. And then minus 10 is equal to what? 0. So which implies x will be equal to what? X minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 is equal to what? 0. So which implies x will be equal to what? X minus 5x plus 2 will be equal to 0. So that much we have got. Now you see, the one thing I have said, I think so, in the beginning of this chapter, that your base can't be 0 and your base can't be negative. Okay, that one I have said. That's why you see, wherever you have got negative answer, we have written what? Not possible. Your base can't be 0 also. Okay, your base has to be positive. So x cannot be 0. I cannot write x will be 0. This can be 0. Okay, this will be 0. Either this will be 0 or this will be 0. X I cannot write like that. that either x equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Like this I can't write. This will not be 0. Okay, so forget about this. What I will write, either x minus 5 equal to 0, either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. And then inside what you will write, since x is not equal to 0, this one you write, since x is not equal to 0, your base cannot be 0. Okay, so from here you find which implies x will be what, 5, and which implies from here x will be minus 2. Again negative also it is not possible, so I will write not possible. Okay, so what is the value of x? Therefore your x is what, 5. Done. Okay, one left, question number 9. Next class we will do. Today it cannot complete. Okay, so 9 is left, 13 left and 14 left. In next class so definitely it is finished, and then we will move to our last exercise. Okay, anti-logarithm characteristics mantissa, that thing will start. Okay, so one thing you said today in message you that whether you have logarithm table and anti-logarithm table with you. In message you today you say that yes I have logarithm table and anti-logarithm table, and if you don't have, then you say that I don't have logarithm table and anti-logarithm table. Okay, if that table is with you then okay, no problem, and if that table is not with you then I will send you the table. Okay, the table is necessary to do the next exercise, otherwise you can't do. In the book the table is not provided, okay, but you need the table. Yes, you can download from internet also, but the problem is that that table's answer though it will be fully correct, but it will not match with your book. Okay, so table, I have the table, if you need I will provide you the table. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.